You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Yes, it's going to have different pronunciations depending on the origin, who's bearing the name. In French, there's a famous comics author, writer, drawer. French. In French it's pronounced Pelaez. Pelaez. Now, I believe it's a surname of Spanish origin, and in Spanish it's pronounced Pelaez. Pelaez or Pelaez. How do you pronounce it yourself, and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.